place today for this particular look. So I'm up early. I miss some of my people back home. The time difference is making it quite difficult to keep communication. Yeah. Anyway, the least I can do is come out with images, so I'm gonna do exactly that. And I have a place that I found yesterday while we were having dinner. And yes, I ate Eba for dinner. Yeah, I found the place. So let's go check it out. I'm seeing anyhow in the trying to get on to the elephant sanctuary. It is a goal of a lifetime. Hi, we're just getting the booking reference, okay?
Yeah.
12:50, correct?
Okay.
This is our mommy on the floor. She organizing everything. Shower, I've cleaned up. I've done content. We're not completely done. I'm trying to be inspired by my darling because she's going to work out. It's all about this healthy lifestyle and all of that. Half of my lashes are off. The view's great. Life is good. People at home are annoyed with me. I don't care. I'm 6 hours ahead in paradise. I'm annoyed with you for not understanding. But yeah, I have about 40 minutes before it's time to go to the elephants. I'm trying to catch a quick snack and keep my girl some company and look at the view.
1, 2,
Franco.
Well, now when you sit talking,
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean.
kitchen.
Love me in and out, I'm feeling lean, and I'll be down out.
See, I don't go.
Anytime you call me, I'll be down.
Yep, let's get it, mama.
Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you.
As long as it's before 12.
Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky in the night. Put me in your arms and your love in light.
Ha.
I'm on your way right
trap
now.
music.
I'm on your way
Somebody
right
already
now.
in here.
Yeah.
Getting it in.
I'm on your vibe now. You got me on your side now.
Yeah.
I'm on your way right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No part two, I went Pyjamas.
I don't wanna know, I don't want no story. Day and night, it's unconditional. Got me
Snappers. Do you have pajamas? Dad?
You know you love me up like
Oh, we came with the. This is such a view.
because I love and I love and I love and I love you only.
Yes, guys,
because I
that's
need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky.
Spotting, double tap in the gym. I'm going upstairs to get ready. I've packed what I want to wear. Yes. Are they here? They're not here yet. Okay, today I'm going to the elephant sanctuary and Dabs is not coming. I'm going with Mommy Grace and her baby brother. So, yes, we're booked in. We're getting picked up by the sanctuary itself. So you can go online and book it, Elephant Sanctuary, and they'll pick you up and take you there. And we're doing a bath and feed, right? So wear a swimsuit and the trunk can go anywhere. Be ready. And off of this excursion because Grace is in charge and Grace always know what to do at what time it needs to be done. A little ass. Oh! I made it. Oh Lord. These slides, and I'm not sliding.
Give me
The journey to the elephant sanctuary from where we were staying was approximately, give or take, an hour or so. And it was just very scenic, very beautiful. Initially, when I first saw that it didn't take that long, I was like, ugh, but honey, it was worth it.
We're here. We're here.
Sorry, I may look how good. Where is it?
It's right there.
Why is it not showing on my guys? Can you see the elephant? They anointed him with clay.
Oh my God, this is so...
Yes, the makeup. Can you help? You leave me inside. I want to see elephants. Ah, guys, I'm tripping. And there's even one right here. There's one right here. Look over there. Oh my God, this is insane. Grace, my head is busting. Hi, they're like babies. You can't tell I don't get out much. Okay, are they calling us? Not reach club at all. This should
With Max, Mr. Mac and Smiley. Two of us gonna be your tour guide today. And if you have any questions later on, just walk to me or go to Smiley. And also we do have one photographer for you, included in your programs, Mr. Handsome. Later on he's gonna walk around you with the big camera with you guys. And go down to the mud, go down to the water. That's all we do. No more hard working, okay? Just normal routine. And also, today you guys gonna join them under the rain shower. The first activity we're gonna do is we go feed them with some watermelon, and then we're gonna cook for them. Cook? We have some special. Let you know first, this elephant you're gonna meet today. Just some of them here, okay? Some of them here, some of them roam themselves around. It's more big and it's more aggressive. Yeah. So we keep blue one in Chiang Mai, and this one just female, just lady. Lady is good. I love lady. So, and only lady here. That's why you don't see a long tusk, long ivory. Okay. So the blue one have a long tusk, long ivory. They are Asian elephant.
Right.
All right. And
yes, Grace, with the knowledge.
when you see some of them have a deeper head, a deeper cheek, just put drop on the ground. Don't try to go down and pick it up. Remember, you have to keep yourself standing. No running. Keep yourself standing. Don't go behind them. Where you're supposed to stand, on their left side, on their right side is good. They can see you really well, really clear from their sides, okay? Not behind. Alright, and first spot you have to really be careful. The first one is pat on the bum or the tail. If you guys pat on the tail, what happened, guys? That's the way you have a free ticket back to your country.
Help me hold the camera at, yeah, you're good. Oh, he's got one already.
He's chewing on one.
Yeah, he chewed on one already.
Yeah.
Hi. What's up, guys? Okay.
He's eating. I think we can take a picture with him. Can we stand?
Can we take a picture?
Can I take a picture?
Mommy Grace, they could never.
Taking some rice ball.
Rice ball.
Elephant. A photographer.
I'm repelling because I got some crazy bugs crawling all over me, and I decided that I want to be naked. Okay, so this goes back in our locker, and we gotta go feed the elephants rice balls now. Go feed them some rice balls. So these rice balls are from rice and mango, and then we're gonna feed our elephant. It's recording. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. I get some more. Finish. Rice ball hands. So now we butt ass naked about to shower with the elephants.
Where's the guy doing the video?
Yes. Some like this.
Oh, okay. You want this one?
My hair wet. Totally worth the wetness. Yeah, seeing as it's the only wet I'm gonna be getting on this trip. Oh, Lord. Showers, and we get under them. I'm not finished. No, I'm not finished without any fans.
It's not their dream.
Absolutely, yeah. I got the little ones in red, white, and black, so I'm gonna arrange them following. And now we are done. Guys, for making this happen and being organized and on time, I appreciate you. We're back on the bus and we are headed in now. And the market opens at 4, so let's see what happens.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Back in this beat, and now we gotta trek uphill because the lady cannot go up. I don't know why she being like that. So now I'm going up the hill. God damn. Just to give you an idea, I'm literally on my tippy toes trying to get it. There she is. That's the villa. I don't think I have any other footage of this villa in its full glory, with as much of it as I can. That's the 3rd floor we on. Happy 4th. Because I'm an earth baby and I had to grip where I'm going. And we are back. Hi guys. We chopped that one. No food must be go unchopped.
Hello. Yeah, so there's no on it.
Do we have a standby one? Going out to get food because I'm not waiting for the barbecue. Cool.
The lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems.
Only just one. And this is a new restaurant and we started opening around 5 months, around 6 months. We are the new restaurant. Okay,
In these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. Y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think justice, put it in the song, alright.
Now, you guys know how I feel about food, honey. So, yes, the party was ongoing, and yes, I was dressed. But, honey, you see, when I'm looking for food, that's all I want to do. Is that pork? It has to be. They love pork up in this.
Is this what's this? Is this pork?
The crispy steel one?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Whole belly.
Okay.
Naughty children.
Listen, I'll see you.
Dear Chris. I like that you feel very... So you guys know the drill already. The party has started and of course copyright infringement. So you cannot have the original audio. I'm getting warmed up.
I need your
Taking
loving.
shots.
So fresh,
Let's
so
go. There is literally a party in this
I'm
basement
feeling lit.
every night. But tonight is the white pajama party. And I'm ready to have a good time. It's a good vibe. There's my sweetheart, love of my life, Dabs. Giving them back to back, alright. And a couple of new friends I made, and of course the birthday girl herself. Queen Elizabeth. Yes, and our host with the absolute most. So yeah, we did the girl thing, we circled her, we played girls, celebrated her, and it's just a beautiful example of where anyone should be at 40. To go truly, it's amazing. We had a wonderful time, and of course, yeah.
Because I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky tonight. Hold me in your arms, in your love, in your life. I'm on your way right now. I'm on your way